We are finally here at the big zoo! Look at the giant lion near the gate.
Wow, cool!
Mom is buying the tickets now. One for her, one for Emmy, and one for Jimmy. Let us look at the big map together. Where do you want to go first today?
Monkeys. Yes, monkeys.
Jimmy wants to see the tall giraffes first. They are walking to the African savannah area. Look at the giraffes. They are very tall animals. They have very long necks and spots. The giraffe is eating green leaves. Its tongue is very long.
Mama.
Emmy thinks it is funny. Now we see the elephants. The baby elephant is playing in the cool water with Mom. Oh no! The baby elephant sprayed some water on Jimmy. Jimmy is laughing. He likes water. Let us go to the monkey forest now. Can you hear the loud monkeys in trees? The monkeys are very fast and active. They like to swing from one tree to another.
That little monkey is eating a yellow banana. It is looking at Jimmy. It is curious.
It is time to see the snakes and lizards. It is very quiet inside this building.
Wow, cool.
Look at the long green snake. It is moving slowly. Do not be afraid, Emmy dear.
Whoa!
This lizard is yellow and orange. It is sitting on a hot rock in the sun. Everyone is a little bit hungry now. Let us buy some snacks at the orange stand.
Yeah.
Mom is buying cold ice cream. Jimmy wants chocolate. Emmy wants the sweet strawberry ice cream. The ice cream is very cold and sweet. We are resting under a big green tree. A beautiful blue bird is on the grass. It is looking for some food to eat. Now we are going to see the lions. The lions are sleeping because it is hot. The king of the zoo is waking up. Look at his big mane. He is huge. Can you hear that? The lion is roaring loudly. It is a very powerful animal, kids. The zebras are running together. They have black and white stripes. They look like painted horses.
1, 2, 3, 4. You got it, Jimmy. Look, Lena, there's another. Yes, that makes 5. 5 zebras.
Welcome to the birdhouse. Look at the pink flamingos. Look. Why are they standing on one leg? The red parrot said hello to us. It can talk. Squawk! Parrots are very smart and colorful. It is cold here. The penguins are waddling on the ice. They look very cute today. One penguin is swimming under the water. It is very fast. Emmy is watching the bubbles. Jimmy is walking like a penguin. He is very funny. We are having so much fun. Look at the big brown bear. It is scratching its back on the tall brown tree. The bear is eating some sweet fruit. It has very large paws and very sharp claws. The tiger is walking through the grass. It is very quiet. It has beautiful orange fur. The tiger is looking at us. Now it is jumping on the rock. It is strong. That is a big hippopotamus. Most of its body is under the water. It is huge. The hippo is coming out of the water. It is a very heavy animal.
Look, Jimmy.
Wow.
It's so sparkly.
The sea lion show is starting soon. We must go to the stadium now. Hurry up! The sea lion is balancing a blue ball. It is very smart. The people are clapping. The sea lion is clapping too. It is making a loud sound. We love this show. Now we are in the outback. The kangaroos are hopping. They use their strong back legs. Look! There is a baby kangaroo in the pouch. It is so small and very cute. Jimmy is hopping like a kangaroo now. He wants to jump as high as the animal. These camels have 2 humps on their backs. They live in the hot and dry desert. The gray wolf is standing on the hill. It has very sharp ears. It is listening. Wow.
Look, it's looking at us.
There are 2 wolves now. They are a family. They look a bit like big dogs. The giant panda is eating green bamboo. It is black and white. It looks very soft. The panda is rolling on the grass. It is very playful. Emmy loves the cute panda. Look down at the water. A crocodile is resting on a log. Its teeth are sharp.
The crocodile is swimming now. It is very quiet in the water. We must be careful.
This is a red panda. It is sleeping high in the tree. It has red fur. The red panda is waking up. It is climbing down the tree. It is very beautiful. We are inside the butterfly house. There are many colorful butterflies flying around us in here. A blue butterfly is on Emmy's hat. She is very still. Do not move, Emmy, dear. The sun is going down now. The zoo is closing soon. Let us go shopping now. The gift shop has many toys. Jimmy wants a lion. Emmy wants a soft panda toy. Mom is buying the toys for the children. They are very happy with their new friends. We are leaving the zoo now. It was a very long and very exciting day today. We are walking to our car. Everyone is tired. We had a great time at zoo. Come on, let's get in.
Yeah, car.
Tired. Get in the car and sit down. Put on your seatbelts. It is time to go. The car is moving. We are going back home now. Goodbye to all the zoo animals. The children are sleeping now. They are dreaming about lions, giraffes, and the funny little monkeys. We are home now. It was a wonderful day at the zoo. Good night, everyone. Sleep well.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let us learn English together every day.